let's get started. We all know that running a business is tough because you're juggling a million tasks, struggling to keep up with the competition, and just plain exhausting. But what if there was a way to work smarter, not harder? Imagine automating the mundane, making data-driven decisions and skyrocketing your productivity. That's where AI tools come in. They aren't just buzzwords, they are game changers. So get ready to save your time, money, and sanity while you watch your business thrive. Firefly is an AI meeting assistant that automatically records, transcribes, and summarizes your meetings. It's perfect for teams that want to save time and improve collaboration. That's right. As you can see, it's a valuable tool for teams that want to get the most out of their meetings. The automatic translation and summarization features are a major time saver. That's right. So never miss a detail from your meetings. You can easily find key information in your transcripts, and you can assign tasks and follow up on the next steps. You can work with popular video conferencing and calendar tools. So like we said, it saves time, improves productivity, easy to use and integrates with existing tools, and the best part of affordable pricing.